Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we will explore MicroAlgo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, and we are here now to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any essential updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 5th of May 2025, our system has ranked MicroAlgo as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -7.16. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a loss of 81.91%. This amounts to an average loss of 2.56% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 66.34% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a complete loss to 316.73%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -23.45%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance might vary from a total loss to 27,962.74% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price falling somewhere between $0 and 202.5 cents. Our latest daily update for MicroAlgo includes the headline, High Volatility in MicroAlgo Inc. stock price on Wednesday, which ended trading at 720 cents. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price gained 9.09% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, rising from 660 cents to 720 cents. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.39%, with a low of 671 cents and a high of 747 cents. The price has shown a lot of movement during this period, resulting in a loss of 40.5% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased by 59 million shares on the last day, with a total of 25 million shares exchanged for approximately $18,140,000. It is important to consider that a decline in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $509.60, while the lowest was 563 cents. Currently, the price stands at 99.86%, or $508.88, below the 52-week high, and 99.99%, or $14,299.28, below the all-time high that occurred on the 13th of December, 2022, when the price peaked at $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc. has made significant advancements in quantum technology, recently integrating the quantum image LSQB algorithm with quantum encryption methods, enhancing the security of information transmission. This innovation, announced on the 9th of June, positions the company as a frontrunner in building secure quantum systems, likely boosting investor confidence and attracting new capital. Additionally, on the 6th of June, MicroAlgo adopted the quantum phase estimation method to improve the training of quantum neural networks, which promises breakthroughs in data processing and machine learning applications. This innovative approach highlights the company's commitment to pioneering state-of-the-art quantum solutions, further solidifying its competitive edge. The focus on improving algorithmic accuracy through quantum error correction and developing advanced architectures for quantum convolutional neural networks enhances MicroAlgo's technological offerings. Developing technologies aimed at real-time image processing and edge intelligence devices could also attract new partnerships and customer bases, potentially leading to revenue growth. Financially, the company reported a strong turnaround for 2024, posting a net income of 53.4 million RMB after a net loss the previous year. This signifies a robust demand for its central processing algorithms and reinforces confidence among investors, setting a positive trajectory for the stock. In summary, MicroAlgo's recent innovations, combined with strong financial performance, set a promising foundation for future growth, both in the short and long term. As the market increasingly values quantum capabilities, MLGO could see significant upward pressure on its stock price. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified from MicroAlgo. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. Volume experienced a decline during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, serving as a potential early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. There were also some negative signals issued, which may impact its near-term trajectory. The stock of MicroAlgo Inc. currently has sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of 89 cents and $1.95. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 97.03%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 56 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 269 days ago. Short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 18 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 42 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average indicated a sell signal 47 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 25 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 0.660 and 0.633. Without support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is elevated, as a drop below the support at 0.633 may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock can experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. In the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.0764 between its high and low, or 11.39%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 20.94%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potentially day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at 86 cents. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo encounters its first support level at 66 cents. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from various analyst sources is to buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Inc. currently shows several negative indicators and is experiencing a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Our valuation of this stock is negative. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, June 20th, we expect MicroAlgo to open lower by approximately $0.0072, starting at around $0.713. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.